हाय हॅलो नमस्कार तुमकां समेस्तांक कार्मेलकिरान यूट्यूब चॅनलाक तुमकां समेस्तांक परत एक फावटी स्वागत. सुमार तेंपा उपरांत आमी हो व्लॉग करते आसा. आमी शिवमोग्गांत आसा आनी म्हजे सांगात आज तुमी पळयतात फादर स्टीवन
हाय
आनी आमचो मोनालिसा फादर रायन. आमी सन्निधी म्हणल्या जाग्याक येयला. आणि ह्या सन्निधींत कोण पण आसात पळया फादरा प्रभूला.
Sannidhi, a unit of Diocese of Shimogga, is the center for pastoral renewal, and it is also known as the Diocesan Pastoral Center. It was inaugurated on 12th October 2021. The main objectives of this center are: 1. To house the offices of various pastoral commissions of the Diocese of Shimogga, and secondly, to train the people of God, the clergy and the religious. As such, there are a number of programs which are being conducted in this campus: retreats, training programs and camps for children of the Diocese of Shimogga. Though it belongs to the Diocese of Shimogga, it also caters to the needs of other religious people and the clergy of Karnataka region. So far, we have had 57 programs in this center. Nearly 3,500 people have made use of the facilities of this center. With regard to the facilities, we have self-contained rooms, we have 2 halls. One is a bigger hall and the other one is a conference hall. Besides these, we have also 2 chapels. One is the main chapel and the other one is the meditation chapel. The salient features of this center are: it is situated in a convenient location, it has a contemplative atmosphere, there is cordial hospitality, and there is network facility. So far, many groups from Karnataka and Andhra are making use of these facilities. There is one group from Hyderabad which conducts a program called as the Timothy School. The very concept of this training is that St. Paul is the master trainer. St. Paul trains Timothy and then St. Timothy trains Silas. That's how the evangelization is being carried out in various places of Karnataka and Andhra and in other states. This center is also open to other dioceses. The priests of other dioceses and the various religious congregations can make use of this center for their retreats, for their conferences, for their trainings.
Sannidhi is the Pastoral Renewal Center of Shimoga Diocese. It's a long cherished dream of the diocese has been realized last year. The Diocese of Shimoga wanted to have its own pastoral center. It was in 2005 the then Bishop Gerald Isaac Lobo, who had a great dream for this diocese, wanted to construct this pastoral center. But unfortunately, because of several reasons, he could not materialize his dream. Later, when I came in to the diocese, this dream was handed over to me, and it took time for me to begin the work. The construction work itself took nearly 2 years and more. But today we have a beautiful infrastructure for pastoral renewal. Sannidhi means the presence, the divine presence. And that is the purpose of this edifice, that we have all facilities. We have a beautiful hall and 2 chapels. We have a conference hall, and we have about 52 self-contained rooms, 2 dormitories which could accommodate nearly 90 people. We have a spacious dining hall with all the infrastructure that is required. We have a quadrangle which is made use of, and we have a beautiful campus which is away from the people and yet close to the main road. We have staff in Sannidhi. It is headed by Father Duming Dias. We have Father Eugene Lobo, a Jesuit priest, as a staff member. We have 2 sisters who are helping us in the administration, and we have other staff too. This Sannidhi, the pastoral center, is primarily for the use of the formation of laity, of religious, and our own diocesan priests and brothers. We have had several programs, spiritual as well as the leadership programs for the youth. It is our dream that we use this infrastructure to build up the faith in the people and also to cultivate in them the desire, the yearning for the divine. This particular building is not merely for the use of the diocese alone, although primarily it is for the diocese. There are several others who are making use of the infrastructure that we have. The entire region has made use of it and is welcome to make use of this building. It is also meant for retreats, recollections, seminars, and even for the religious if they decide to come for their chapters and for their retreats. Therefore, it is open not only for the diocese but for the dioceses and the religious congregations of entire Karnataka and beyond. I wish that this beautiful building is utilized to the maximum for the sole purpose of communicating God to them and bringing people to the presence of the divine. Thank you.
मोगाच्यानो येदोळ पर्यंत तुम्ही हो व्लॉग पळयलो. आमी सान्निधींत आसल्या सान्निधींत फादर दोमिंग डायस तांकां आमी मेळ्ळ्या. ताचे सांगात आनी एकलो मानेस्त आसा तांची तुमकां वळख सांगल्या उपरांत कळटली. कित्याक म्हळ्यार हाचें नांव तुमी आयकलां. कित्याक आमी ओळी असो व्लॉग केल्ल्या वेळार तेंच्या लोकांक जॅकेट दिवन ताणें आमकां आनी तेंच्या लोकांक एक उपकार केल्लो आनी तांचो ऑडियो मात्र तुमी आयकल्लो. आज व्हिडिओ हे आसा आमच्या मुखार तो आसा. देखून आमचो व्हडलो बेनिफॅक्टर तो आनी ताणें आमकां केल्ल्या सर उपकारांक तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी उळ्याच्या लोकांक तांचे मस्त आदार मेळ्ळा. देखून परत एक फावटी आमच्या टिमाच्या नांवान देव बरें करूं, कार्मेलितांच्या नांवान देव बरें करूं. तशेंच फादर दोमिंग हे व्हडले मनीस, ल्हान न्ही. जायत्या तांच्या जिणेंत जायत्या व्हडल्या हुद्द्यांनी तांचो वावर तांणी भेटयला आनी आतां सद्याक सान्निधींत आसात आनी सान्निध्या विशयांत जायती माहिती तांणी आमकां दिल्या. तांकांय आमी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी आमचे सगळें टीम आसा, फादर रायन आसा, फादर स्टीवन आसा. सो समेस्त आमी तुमकां बरें मागता आनी हो व्लॉग पळयल्याक देव बरें करूं. हो व्लॉग शेअर करा आनी जायत्यांक पावचे परी तुमी पळया. देव बरें करूं. सी यू अगेन. बाय.
We are grateful to Reverend Stephen, Reverend Josie and Reverend Roy from CARMELKIRAN Studio, Mangalore for making this video capsule. God bless you.